What is the best strategy for beginners? The best strategy for beginners is the strategy where you understand that there's no best strategy. There's no best strategy, man. My strategy is not the best. Like there's no best strategy. It's a strategy that works best for you. So if you are a beginner, try things out first. Try things out. Like go to this mentor. Okay, grab a piece from him. Go to this mentor, grab a piece from him. Take what you like, right? Take what you understand. Take what you can take what you like seeing, and then grab a piece from that mentor. Apply it to your strategy, and over time, keep doing that. And then once you have enough data, you can say, okay, cool. That's all I needed. Thank you, mentor. But I don't need to know more, right? And then make your own strategy. Create your own plan. Create your own system that works for you and your personality, right? But at first, like, you know, grab a piece from everybody, see what works best, and then just adapt. But that's the best strategy, right? This is the best strategy to me, but for others, this might not be the best strategy. Some traders they might want, I don't know, they might not like my strategy is based off of me and my emotions, right? Me and what I can deal with, what I can handle with. Not a lot of traders can handle the things that I can handle within this strategy, right? Such as sometimes drawdown, such as how big the stops are sometimes. So this strategy is built and developed for me because I was the one who developed it, right? But yes, everyone's really different. Yes, the ADM created a resistance